This amazing tool is a really game changer in affiliate marketing to make money online. Thus, check it out. This one is Gizzmo AI, and Gizzmo enables you to generate a fully SEO article about any product you find on Amazon.com. Yes, you heard that right. Just imagine you can pick up any product you find on Amazon, this giant website, in any department, in any niche, in any topic, and just with a click of a button, you can generate a fully SEO article that talks about this product in particular, with all pros and cons, with all calls to actions that drive customers to have the proper decision to purchase these products. And your blog post would show up higher on the first ranks on Google search results. Awesome, isn't it? In addition, by using Gizzmo AI, not only you can generate SEO articles about products or product reviews, but also you can generate what's so-called roundups or listicle blog post that contains a comparison between more than one product in one place. For example, you can generate the best cameras for YouTubers or the best books for psychological health and so on and so forth, just only by using Gizzmo AI in just a few seconds. And moreover, AI incorporates a lot of relevant and outstanding images about these products inside your articles. It's unbelievable. For sure, your products will be linked with your unique Amazon affiliate link. So if anyone purchases your product, you will get your commission as usual. And the best part here in Gizzmo AI, it gives you a free trial to test its awesomeness and its quality to generate high quality and outstanding articles. Either they are product reviews or roundups, or generate articles about any topic other than the affiliate marketing or Amazon products. So if you have a look at these pricing plans on Gizzmo.ai, here you can find skyrocket your earnings with Gizzmo WordPress affiliate content. So you gotta have a WordPress website or on website to link with this awesome AI tool. So if we have a look at these pricing plans, here you can find different pricing plans starting with this one free trial with these amazing features: 5 articles, so you can generate a product review of any product you can find on Amazon, any niche, any department, or roundup articles or listicle articles, in other words, or general content articles about any topic rather than the affiliate marketing or Amazon itself, with complete SEO toolbox. So for sure, you will get your articles fully optimized with search engines, with all target keywords, with the headings, subheadings, frequently asked questions, etc. Affiliate suite. So your products and every single product in this article would be linked with your unique Amazon affiliate. You've got to link your WordPress website with this amazing tool and Amazon images suggestion. Okay, so you can try this one for free without any charge on you at all. Thus, we can click over this get started together. Then you will be taken to this window where you can create your free account here on Gizzmo AI just by inserting your credentials, your email, and your country. As you see here, free trial with $0. Then you can click over this continue, and afterward you will be taken to this dashboard of your account where you can find your details of your subscription, which is for free and free trial. And what's important here in this dashboard, you can go to this one plugin and extension, and here you gotta link your WordPress and your blog with this amazing tool by 2 parts. First, you can download the Gizzmo WordPress plugin. Therefore, you can add this plugin, this unique plugin, in your WordPress website, and install and add this Gizzmo Chrome extension to your Chrome browser. That helps you more to make integration between your WordPress and Gizzmo and Amazon.com. So first of all, when you go to this one Chrome extension latest version, here you would find this plugin and this Chrome extension as you see. So you can add it to your Chrome browser to use later on Amazon.com. And when it comes to download this plugin to add later to your WordPress, so first of all, just you can download this latest version, okay, and then go to your WordPress website and to add and install this plugin. So you can go to our WordPress. Afterward, you can go to this plugin section and go to add new. Then we can go to this upload plugin, and you can find on your device this Gizzmo zip file as a plugin. Then you can choose file from this option. Afterward, you can install it and activate this plugin as usual. Then you can find here this one, Gizzmo AI, as you see after activating it on your WordPress website. Therefore, the coolest part here, just we can go to amazon.com after activation this plugin in WordPress and this Chrome extension in your Chrome browser. Don't forget this step, this important step. Therefore, here in Amazon, you can pick up any product you want, as I said before, any product in any niche, in any department, for women, for kids, for books, for audiobooks, for electronics, and etc. So, for example, together we can select or we can go for haircut. And once you select any product you find on Amazon, here you can find a window which show up here from Gizzmo AI that shows you this product as you observe. This hair clippers for men. So if we click over this plus icon, it will be taken to your WordPress website to be prepared before you can generate this SEO article about this product or a product review. So when you click over this one plus icon, we'll be go to your WordPress account. So when you go back to our WordPress, okay, and go to Gizzmo section, as you see, so click over it. Here in this part of Gizzmo AI, you can find 3 sections: product review to generate an SEO article about this product in particular, and the products roundup. As I said before, it's like a listicle or a comparison between more than one product, like the best cameras for YouTubers, the best toys for children under 3 years old, and etc. And or you can generate a general content about anything you want rather than the affiliate marketing or Amazon products. Thus, for example, we can select this one product review where we can find this one, our product today, like hair clippers for men professional, as you see. So for example, when you can find this action or this button that says prepare, here you would make this AI tool generates a full SEO article about this product, which is a product review, as we can select this one product review. So I tested that out before. So when you click over this review, here you can find this right panel, these details like the name of this product and this affiliate tag, Amazon Associates account, as you see. That could be like Raymond 20, Muhammad 20, Henry 20, and so on and so forth, okay? And then you can generate SEO keyword if you want to be more specific for a specific keyword you want to rank your article about it. So if anyone searches for something or a query like the best thing for X, the best hair clippers for men, the best sneakers, and so on and so forth. Therefore, you can click over this, create a product review post. Either if you want to create a round up article or listicle article, so you can insert more than one product as I said before. So you can go back to Amazon and select another product to include in your comparison and your round up. For example, if we want to create a roundup that talks about the best dumbbells for women, for fitness, and so on. So first you can pick up one product first, okay? Then you can select another one and another one and so forth and so on and so forth to an article about these 4 or 5 items, okay, in one place. And this tool gives you the all data and all details like pros and cons, calls to action about all these products with your unique Amazon affiliate link for every single item. Therefore, you can find this button that says a roundup article, okay? Perfect. So for example, if we can click over this one, create a product review post, your article would be like that, like this one. Awesome, with introduction and passing through these sections and paragraphs about these features of this amazing product. Versatile, cordless, and coded design, as you see, with an amazing image and adjustable gear trends, okay, and with call to action buy on Amazon. Of course, it depends on the theme you use on WordPress website. Complete grooming kit, multi-purpose functionality, powerful and precise cutting, and so on and so forth, with all pros and cons, as I said before, with amazing conclusion and with a frequently asked questions people are looking for on Google regarding this specific product, as you see, and with some SEO meta tags, as you see. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.